Okay, so we've got a problem. The camera ribbon cable is suffering from that cable fiasco with these MacBooks. What's that called? I'll just blur the screen now. The ribbon cable getting damaged. The camera itself is fine in the screen, that's not the issue. The ribbon cable is being bent. Open and closing, open and closing. It's eventually just cracked somewhere around the connection area. That's super duper annoying. Yeah, no camera available. Okay, so that's the problem. The ribbon cable, unfortunately, is bent, which is not allowing it's super annoying. The way they made that cable, it's actually bent there. Shit. Alright, I think I'll have to just let the client know, yeah, this is the case. We'll put it all back together, and that will be the end of this video. Alright, sorry about the interruptions earlier, internet issues, so I'll see you in the next one.